Want your Galaxy Watch 6 to look more vibrant and personalized? Let's change the complication color using the Galaxy Wearable app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can even choose multicolor to make each complication stand out with its own shade. Here's how to do it. Open Galaxy Wearable app, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch faces. Here you will see your current watch face, and below it tap customize. Swipe through to find and tap the complication color tab. You will see several color palette. Choose your preferred color. Tap neon green, orange, brown, or more to apply a single solid color to all complication, or tap the multicolor option to make each complication appear in a different color, giving your watch a more dynamic and colorful look. As the example, we will select multicolor. When selected, tap Save to apply your change. And that's it. As you can see, the complication on your watch are now displayed in a different color. As a note, changing the complication color is small tweak that makes a big difference. And if you are into bold style, the multicolor option will definitely bring your watch 6 face to life. Try it out and see which color combination fits your vibe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.